students, in the last period we have seen the derivative of the composite functions and rule and its rule, that is chain rule. Today we are going to study the exercise 1.1 on the composite function. Exercise 1.1. Question: find dy by dx of the following functions. Find dy by dx of the following functions. First problem: y equal to sin of log x. Here put u equal to log x, therefore y equal to sin u. Then du by dx, differentiating the function u with respect to x. The derivative of log x is 1 upon x, equation number 1, and dy by dx du is equal to sin u, the function y, differentiate y with respect to u, cos u, that is equal to cos, the value of u is log x. This is equation number 2. By using the chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This is the chain rule or composite rule. Putting the values of 1, 2 in this rule, we get dy by dx is equal to, the value of dy by du is cos of log x in du by dx 1 upon x, that is equal to cos of log x upon x. This is the solution of the first problem. Second, y equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 7 bracket raised to 8. This is the second problem. Here put u equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 7. Therefore, y equal to u raised to 8. Express the given function into two separate functions, then differentiating u and y. Now, du by dx is equal to derivative of 2x as it is, the derivative of x square is twice x, plus 5 as it is, derivative of x is 1, and derivative of the constant number 7 is 0. Therefore, du by dx is equal to du by dx equal to 4x plus 5, equation number 1, and respect to u, that is dy by du is equal to 8 into u raised to 7. मतलब फॉर्मूला वापरा y बरोबर x raised to n, that is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. 8. The value of u is 2x square plus 5x plus 7 bracket raised to 7. This is equation number 2. By using the chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Equation number 3. Putting the value of 1, 2 in equation 3, we get the derivative of the given function. dy by dx equal to dy by du 8 into 2x square plus 5x plus 7 bracket raised to 7 into du by dx 4x plus 5. This is the solution of the second problem. Third problem. Y equal to root of sin root x. Y equal to root of sin root x. Find its derivative. Put u equal to sin of root x. Sin root x ला आपण u मान. Therefore, y equal to root u. Differentiating u with respect to x. Here du by dx is equal to, by using the chain rule in another form. याच्यामध्ये परत आलेली काय तुम्हाला बघायला नाही. साइन रूट एक्स आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढेपर्यंत जर आपण याला एक्स मानलं, साइन एक्स होतं. याला जर एक्स मानलं रूट एक्स ला, साइन एक्स चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉस एक्स, कॉस ऑफ रूट एक्स इनटू डी बाय डीएक्स ऑफ रूट एक्स. Therefore, du by dx is equal to cos of root x into d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. That is equal to cos root x in the denominator 2 root x. Equation number 1. And differentiating y with respect to u, we get dy by du is equal to derivative of root x. We know that the formula, standard formula, the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Therefore, the derivative of y with respect to u is 1 upon 2 root u. Putting the values of u, 2 into root, the value of u is sin root x. This is equation number 2. By using chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy upon du into du by dx. Therefore, dy by in equation 3 we get dy by dx. dy by du 1 upon 2 root sin root x into du by dx cos root x in the denominator 2 root x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to cos of root x in the denominator 2 into 2 4 root x into root of sin root x. This is solution of the third problem. Now fourth, if y equal to log of sin x, find dy by dx. Here put log of sin x is equal to u. Then the given function y equal to can be expressed as log of u. याला जर आपण u मानलं तर हे y बरोबर log u असं फंक्शन होतं. म्हणजे याच्यापासून दोन फंक्शन आपण सेपरेट तयार केले. u इक्वल टू log of sin x and u इक्वल टू log of sin x and y equal to log u, differentiating u with respect to x. Differentiating the function u with respect to x. Here du by dx is equal to, तर इनडायरेक्टली चेन रूल वापरायचा. तर ह्याला पण दुसरं काय तर टी व्हेरिएबल मानलं होतं. त्यापेक्षा काय करायचं, लॉग साइन एक्स आहे, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढेपर्यंत या साइन एक्स ला एक्स मानायचं. त्याला जर एक्स मानलं, लॉग एक्स त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 अपॉन एक्स, 1 अपॉन साइन एक्स इंटू डी बाय डीएक्स ऑफ साइन एक्स, गुणिले ज्याला एक्स मानलं त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. याला आपण इनडायरेक्टली चेन रूल वापरतोय, कुठे लिहित नाही आपण. याला एक्स मानलं, लॉग एक्स इट्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 अपॉन एक्स, 1 अपॉन साइन एक्स into d by dx of sin x. Therefore, du by dx is equal to 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, du by dx equal to cos x upon sin x cot x. Equation number 1. And differentiating y with respect to u, that is dy by du equal to 1 upon u, derivative of log u with respect to u, that is equal to 1 upon the value of u is log of sin x. This is equation number 2. By using chain rule, by using the chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy upon du into du by dx. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to dy by du 1 upon log of sin x into du by dx cot x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to cot x in the denominator log of sin x. जर तुम्हाला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढा म्हटलं बाय युजिंग चेन रूल तर ह्या पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह करायचं. नाहीतर दुसरी जी मेथड आहे डायरेक्ट कंपोजिट रूल ऑल्सो कॅन बी रिटन ॲज असा इथे इफ y इक्वल टू f of u be a function of u and u equal to g of x be a function of x, then y equal to f of g of x be a function of x, then its derivative is dy by dx is equal to f dash g of x into dy dx of g of x, that is equal to f dash g of x into g dash x. हा रूल वापरला तरी चालतंय. हे काय करायचं, इथं जे फंक्शन दिलेलं असतं ना याला x मानले हे फंक्शन f of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह f dash x आहे गुणिले ज्याला x मानले त्याचं इनटू dy dx of g of x that is g dash x. आता इथून पुढचं एक्झाम्पल आपण ही दुसरी मेथड वापरून सोडवणार. What's our problem? Y equal to e raised to sin x. Y equal to e raised to sin x. Find its derivative. dy by dx is equal to ही सेकंड मेथड सेकंड रूल वापरायचा आहे. याला जर आपण x मानलं तर e raised to x फंक्शन होतं. कुठं लिहायचं नाही काय आपण मनात ठरवायचं. ही sin x याला जर x मानलं e raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह e raised to sin x into dy dx of sin x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to e raised to sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. आपण हे दुसरी जी मेथड आहे ते वापरून त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढलेला आहे. 6th problem, y equal to root of tan root x याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं, dy by dx is equal to आपल्याला रूट x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह माहिती आहे. आपण जर याला x मानलं रूट x त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1/2 रूट tan रूट x. या आतल्या फंक्शनला आपण x मानतो into dy dx of tan of root x गुणिले ज्याला x मानले त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1/2 into root tan root x into we know that the derivative of tan x is sec square x, but here tan of root x, taking root x as x, then the derivative of tan x is sec square x, that is sec square root x into dy by dx of root x. ज्याला x मानलं त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण रूट x ला x मानलं. असा काय याचा फॉर्म्युला माहिती नाही आपल्याला, tan x चा फॉर्म्युला नाही. मग डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढेपर्यंत जर आपण रूट x ला x मानलं ते फंक्शन tan x होते. But tan x are derived to sec square x. X means root x into d by dx of root x. That is equal to 1 upon 2 root tan root x into sec square root x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. That is equal to sec square root x in the denominator 4 root x into root tan of root x dy by dx. नीट पाहूया. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना आपल्याला x मान, because we know that the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, and therefore dy by dx equal to root x 1 upon 2 root x into d by dx of this function tan of root x. Again here 1 upon 2 root tan root x as it is into here taking root x as x, then the derivative of tan x is a sec square x, that is sec square root x into d by dx of root x. In the next step, the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Hence, the derivative of the given function y equal to root tan root x is sec square root x upon 4 root x into root tan root x. Sixth problem, y is equal to 4 raised to log of sin x, its base is 2, plus 3 raised to log of 9 raised to log of cos x, its base 3. Find dy by dx. याच्यामध्ये y equal to 4 raised to log sin x base 2 plus 9 raised to log of cos x base 3 असेल. First, simplify the given function. Simplify this. Derivative काढण्याच्या अगोदर 4 is the square of 2 raised to log of sin x base 2 plus 9 is the square of 3 raised to log of cos x base 3. 4 can be written as 2 bracket square and 9 can be written as 3 bracket square. By using the rules for the indices rule वापरतो. X raised to m bracket raised to n equal to x raised to mn. Using this rule, here we get y equal to 2 raised to 2 log of sin x, its base is 2, plus 3 raised to 2 log of cos x, its base is 3. Then using the rule for the logarithmचा power वापरला. That is n log x is equal to log x raised to n to the base a. Using this rule, in this step we get 2 raised to log sin square x to the base 2 plus 3 raised to log cos square x to the base 3. Therefore, y equal to, using the another rule for the logarithm, a raised to log x to the base a is equal to x. a च्या डॉटवर लॉग टर्म आणि त्याचा पण बेस a असेल तर याच्यामध्ये याची किंमत डायरेक्ट x येते. हा रूल या दोन्ही ठिकाणी वापरायचा. a raised to log x to the base a equal to x. a raised to log x to the base a cos square x. Therefore, y equal to sin square x plus cos square x. We know that this is the identity for the trigonometric function. Its value is 1. Then the derivative of dy by dx is equal to 3. Here y equal to 4 raised to log of sin x to the base 2 plus 9 raised to log of cos x to the base 3. असे प्रॉब्लेम दिले. In the first step, 4 can be written as 2 bracket square and 9 can be written as 3 bracket square. Then by using the rules for the indices, x raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to x raised to mn, we get the given function can be written as y equal to 2 raised to 2 log sin x to the base 2 plus 3 raised to 2 log cos x to the base 3. Then again using the rules for the logarithm, that is using power rule, n log x to the base a equal to log x raised to n to the base a. ये जो n है हमारा x च्या डॉक्टर ने आता है तो पावर रूल वापरला. हे 2 है sin च्या डॉक्टर ने, ये 2 है cos च्या डॉक्टर ने. Therefore, y equal to 2 raised to log sin square x to the base 2 plus 3 raised to log cos square x to the base 3. Again, using the rule for the logarithm, a raised to log x to the base a is equal to x. हा जर a च्या डॉक्टर लॉग आहे त्याचा पण बेस aच असेल तर डायरेक्ट उत्तर त्याचं x आहे. मग हा रूल या दोन्ही ठिकाणी वापरला की हे sin square x आलं cos square x आलं. आपल्याला माहिती आहे sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 असते. Therefore, the derivative of constant number 1 is 0. Seventh problem. If y equal to log of root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Find its derivative. First, the given function can be simplified and then find its derivative. Here, using the formula, trigonometric formula, 1 minus cos theta equal 2 sin square theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Therefore, here 1 minus cos 3x sin square 3x by 2 and 1 plus cos 3x equal to 2 cos square 3x by 2. Using these two formulae, trigonometric formulae in the given function, then the given function can be simplified as the value of 1 minus cos 3x is 2 sin square 3x upon 2. In the denominator, the value of 1 plus cos 3x is 2 cos square 3x upon 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Therefore, y equal to log of sin square theta upon cos square theta is equal to tan square theta. Tan square 3x upon 2. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Therefore, y equal to log the square root of tan square 3x by 2 is tan 3x upon 2. Then its derivative dy by dx is equal to taking tan 3x by 2 as x, then the given function as log x, its derivative 1 upon x, 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 into d by dx of tan 3x upon 2. याला x मान लेके फंक्शन log x हो गए, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x 1 upon 3x upon 2 into d by dx of ज्याला x मानले त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह in the next step 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 as it is here, taking 3x upon 2 as x, then the derivative of tan x is sec square x, sec square 3x upon 2 into d by dx of 3x by 2 गुणिले ज्याला x मानले त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण 3x upon 2 ला x मानलो, then 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 into sec square 3x upon 2 into 3 half constant as it is, and the derivative of x is 1. Simplify this step, we get 1 upon tan 3x by 2 is cot 1 upon tan means cot 3x upon 2 and sec square theta equal to 1 upon cos square theta, 1 upon cos square 3x by 2 into 3 half as it is. Now cot 3x by 2 means cos 3x upon 2 upon sin 3x upon 2 into 1 upon cos square 3x by 2 into 3 half cos 3 by 2 get cancelled, that is equal to 3 upon 2 sin 3x upon 2 into cos 3x upon 2. Denominator can be written as 2 sin 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2 using the trigonometric formula 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Then here dy by dx is 3 upon 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 3x upon 2. Here 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 3 upon sin 3x. This is the derivative of y equal to log of root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos x. पुढच्या तासाला आपण काय एक्झाम्पल पाहूया.